Hello, in this video I'm going to go over how you can make your proposal items and your direct costs inside of PavementSoft your own. So we're going to start with our proposal items here, and for any items that we don't offer or any items that we do offer and the verbiage is just not how we want it to be, we can come into that item. So we can go into asphalt repair here, and we can then update any of this verbiage here to be your own, as well as select which cost box we want to show up for this item as a default. So whenever we choose asphalt repair, these items are going to show up. Now, if there are items on our list that we do not use, we can go ahead and edit those to be our own. So I can search for, I know I have a test asphalt item that we do not offer. So I can come into this item here and I can make this my own. So I know that we are gonna offer this as a seal coat item. So this will be our test sealer item. And this will be the text, whatever I want that text to be. I can input that here. I can add the placeholders for this item. Any work order notes, as well as change the cost blocks that show up. So we need labor, of course, but we're not going to need asphalt, so I can remove that and then go ahead and add our sealer cost block. We can change the order in which the cost blocks show as well, so we can have our sealer item show first whenever we choose this item. That is a much better way than going in and making each item inactive and then creating your own. It's a little bit more efficient this way. Now, for your direct costs, it works pretty much the same, except asphalt, dump fees, stone, and concrete are going to be the plants that you offer. So for those, and we do have a separate video that goes over adding plants and making things inactive, but very quickly we can come in if we don't use it and make that plant inactive and click save. And then we can go in and add our own plants. And again, we do have a video that covers adding asphalt plants or plants into PavementSoft. But if we have tack items here, and this goes for trucking, equipment delivery, milling, etc., all of those items except for concrete, stone, dump fees, and asphalt. So we can come into these items, and so if we don't offer square foot, actually a better example would be our trucking. So we don't use these trucking companies, will show up when you sign up, so it's not a completely blank software. These trucking companies will be there, and so a lot of people aren't going to be using GDC SLC, so we can come in and edit this item. We can make this the name that we want it to be, in-house. We can change that rate, so maybe they're 90, default number of days, hours of truck per day, so they work 10 hours, travel time is about 1 hour from the yard to the job. On average, they can haul 18 tons, 1 hour turnaround time, and our inventory count, maybe we have 5 or 10 trucks. But this is not necessary if you do not wish to use it. And then I can click save. So now we have our in-house trucking company at the rates we specified, and we can choose them now moving forward as we're creating a bid. And so we can do that for each item here rather than going through making each item inactive and then creating our own. Which, if you do run out of items that you can edit, we can just come up here to add item, and we can make our own. And so that will go for, sealer is what I meant to click on. And so that will go for sealer as well. For every item that is not asphalt, dump fees, stone, or concrete, we will be able to come in and either edit if we do not offer this, so we can come through and edit these items, or create our own. And we have additional costs here as well, so there are quite a few here already. Again, if you don't use them, you can come through and edit them, or make them inactive and create your own. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me at support@pavementsoft.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.